Oh, hey! Do you suffer from waking up from your own snoring because it's so freaking loud? Is your partner pissed off because you snore so loud? Or are you the individual that can't sleep because your partner snores so freaking loud? Okay, so first and foremost, what actually causes it? Well, unfortunately, as we, kind of get out of balance in our lifestyle, maybe eat the wrong types of foods, maybe get stressed out, whatever's going on in your life, our body actually puts on fat in different ways. A lot of times we can see the fat. You can see it externally, but a lot of times individuals don't even appear to be really fat, but they have something called visceral fat. This is the type of fat that accumulates around the organs and even in the throat and the airway and even around the soft palate of the mouth. And it's when we get this excess fat that accumulates, it actually narrows the airway and then causes a vibration as we're breathing at night that starts to cause snoring. Over time and distance, if you don't deal with this, it can literally cause sleep apnea. This builds up to the point to where you actually can't breathe at night. And then people have to get on these machines called CPAP machines just to help them to breathe through the night. It's absolutely crazy. The reason I say it's absolutely crazy is because we can reverse this very quickly. I've worked with lots of clients on CPAP machines. I've worked with clients that have had snoring. And very quickly when you do a fast, fasting actually helps you to eliminate that internal visceral fat, which we definitely want to get rid of because these are the types of things that lead to heart attack, stroke, all types of congestion of the organs that lead to different kinds of disease. So most of the time snoring happens in men, and it's typically because they hold a lot of fat around the throat, the neck, and in the face areas. So the best thing we can do literally is start to detoxify, nourish ourselves, and potentially do a fast to eliminate this type of fat. And I know probably within 2 to 3, maybe 5 days, you're not gonna be snoring, you're gonna eliminate a lot of this stuff, and with the right lifestyle afterwards, you're gonna be able to sleep like a baby, you're not gonna piss your partner off, or you need to have your partner come and do this process so they can heal themselves and prevent snoring. Thanks for watching.